Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a window fill the screen by double clicking on its toolbar. So instead of manually resizing a window every time, macOS lets you choose what should happen when you double click on its title bar or toolbar of the window. One of the available options which automatically expand the window to occupy the available space on the screen. It's a convenient shortcut if you regularly work with a larger window and want to resize them with a quick double click. So if you'd like to enable this behavior, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here click on the drop down menu right to Window title bar double click action. And from here you can choose Fill. And let me show you it with the example. As you can see, I have opened Finder, and as soon as I double click on the title bar, the window will automatically expand to fill the available screen space. So that's it. This is how this feature works. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.